Do you know that with this very thing on my hand, you can get rid of bacteria from your kitchen sink and your bedroom drain? With this very common salt here, everybody knows it. This is salt. You will get rid of any bacteria from your bedroom drain and your kitchen sink. So I'm going to show you. Just continue with me in this video, then you see how I use this thing to kill bacteria. So what you do after washing your bedroom, just this very table salt here, take a spoon or two of it, pour it in your bedroom drain, pour it there without adding any water. No bacteria, no crawling organism in the bedroom drain can withstand sun, not even the sodium inside it. Do this thing each time you wash your bedroom. Pour it two spoons of salt into your bedroom drain. Then your kitchen sink also that you use in washing your plate, do the same thing, most especially at night before you sleep. Pour it 2 spoons of this very table salt, pour it in your kitchen sink. Then it is going to kill any bacteria that want to come out from the sink. So tell me what you feel about this in the comment section. If you would like to see more of my video, you can do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook at Miracles Enterprise for you to see more of my video and more tips on cosmetics making and other skincare products making. So it's very important. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Then click the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video.